Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the PayPal here machine. Thank you PayPal for sponsoring this video. They send this out to me for free because I have a good account and I'll do lots of transactions every month. So they just sent me out for one for free. They even give me a PayPal debit card, if you can remember, if I've shown it before or not, I don't know. Sent me that ages ago, like 2 years ago, because my PayPal account was very good. So yeah. Got PayPal here. It says this is the card machine itself, as you can see. Take card payments on your mobile or tablet. No monthly fees, no hidden costs. Contactless enabled. Very nice, isn't it? One of these actually cost 70 quid, so I've got a 70 quid piece of junk in my hand. Well, technology junk. Okay, with PayPal here, card reader and mobile app, it's easy to accept credit card, debit card, contactless payments, whatever you want to do. Get paid a much more, accept no fixed term, no monthly fee, small fee per transaction. I think it's 3%, 2.75 actually, the highest they charge. Basically, the more transactions you do, the cheaper they charge, with the lowest being 1%. So if you got a £100 thingy, you only pay them £1. It's not bad, is it? And if you got only that odd few transactions and you get £100, you only paying them £2.75. Still, it's not that much, but over time it will kill you, I guess, because they're taking quite a bit. Say you got 10 of them payments, it's £27, isn't it? It's quite a bit, I guess. Small fee, yes. Issue invoice and send internet receipts, but they got to make money somehow to offer the service, if you know what I mean, to run it and everything. Accept these payment types, as you can see. Even accepts American Express, which is very odd, but most people don't. So you actually have to get the PayPal here up, and you have to switch your account over to a business account, which I've not done so far because I've not read the terms properly, so I don't want to sign anything before knowing what I am doing. So you got to download the app, sign up, pair the reader, get paid. That's it, simple as that. I'm gonna go ahead and open this. Don't know what that is. Looks a bit dirty. Don't know how the hell you open this. Looks to be some sort of sellotape. Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut it. Also guys, it is 2:24 AM right now, Monday the 15th of October. See the dedication I'm doing. I have university at 6 AM. So I'm probably not going to get any sleep today. I've actually been trying to record this video for quite a while now. It's been sat here for a few days. So thank you PayPal for sending this out. I don't know how the hell am I going to open this. Something. What the fuck am I doing? I don't know. PayPal, why are you making it so hard to open this? That's going to come handy. Sharp as fuck. Let me try twisting it. I don't know. It's like a strong plastic glass. Bear with me guys, I'm going to pause the video, figure this out, then I'll go ahead and do it. Okay, so even the fucking sellotape is hard as fuck. We finally got it open. Well, one side of it. Just the card read itself. Oh my god, that's fucking screwed down or something. I don't even know, man. Why have they made this so difficult to get out, guys? So this is the card reader itself. There's a Bluetooth button. You can swap. Oh, that's nice. Keypad, very interactive. Oh, that feels good. Cancel button 0. Oh. Back cancel button, whatever you want to call it. Back button. Oh, autofocus have gone off. There you go. Pay button, and your normal transaction where you just put the card in. Contactless, you just put on top of here. Let me check that sticker off. I might keep it on for now actually. Take it off later when I turn it on. Got the PayPal logo there, very nice. It's in like a glossy colour, and the rest of the product is mattish white, black. Got some sort of code, made in Poland. Oh, and it uses Muria systems. I've heard of them before. And here is if you want to do the magnetic strip swipe, I guess, and you have to get signature with that one if you decide to do that. So it actually charges with the micro USB, which is good because that's standard. And you got these lights here, as you can see. So these lights all go green, blue, and basically the different colors. Green is when you use contactless. It goes all the way, it goes 1 2 3 4 4 when it's done, basically, so you'll know how long to keep it on for. I don't know what that one is on the left corner. Might be LED, who knows. I've got the power on button there. Bloody hell, this is hard to get into the camera. Let me take a quick photo. This might be the thumbnail, guys. Guys, I'll take this off. Actually, I'll take the sticker off. Okay, might as well. This construction quality of the packaging is so poor. Sticky as fuck. Oh my god. Oh, look at that nice screen. I'm gonna hopefully, let's see if it has any charge at all. Hopefully it does. Okay, ready guys? Oh my god, it's on. PayPal card reader starting up. Please wait. Let's see how long it takes. It's actually an OLED screen from what I can tell. You can't tell because of the camera, but from what I can tell, I can see that it is. And as you saw, the green lights came up. That was very nice. It's actually a very light system, I'm not gonna lie. Let's have a look. See how long this takes. This is the first startup, I guess, so it might take longer than normal. But I don't know how long normal is anyway, so who knows. And the battery life of this is quite good. You can do 100 and something contactless transactions before the battery dies, which is better than what's the other one called? Oh, there you go. Bluetooth signs flashing, which means it's searching. So turn on the Bluetooth in phone tablet settings, select PayPal 430. Simple as that. Now let me turn this off for now. Oh no, you have to hold it. To turn it off, you have to hold it. Oh, it's still on. To turn it off, you have to hold it, like I said. Shutting down. There you go. So if you just press it, it'll turn off the Bluetooth. Simple as that. It's a battery saving mode. So it'll turn your Bluetooth off if you press it once. If you hold it, it turns it off. So you've got to remember that. Let me go ahead and have a look here. Thank you again, PayPal, for sending this out. That's full on glass, guys. Fucking hell. Oh. So turn on the card reader, pair the reader, open the PayPal here up. Oh, I don't even need to. I can pair it before using the app. That's alright. Bluetooth button, charger port, power button, charging indicator. So that light we saw there, that's a charging indicator. That's pretty cool. As you saw, the charge is pretty much dead. It had no bars, so it's gonna go literally in a few minutes probably, if I turn it back on. So I'll need to charge that. So you can swipe with magnetic card at the top, chip and pin there, sign up there, and that's about it. Got this cool sticker book. Is that a sticker? I think it's a sticker. Yeah. Let your customers know they have options out checkout. And a voice cracked down, I don't know why. For best result, place a sticker on your front door, on your window, at the point of sale. That's a pretty cool sticker. I'm gonna keep that. Thank you, PayPal, for sending this. I'm really happy. We're happy you're here. And there's a charger. It's just a simple micro USB charger. So I'm not actually gonna get that out. I might as well keep that. What the hell's on this side? Oh, there's nothing under there. Oh, there's silica gel. Go that way. Here's to getting paid. It's good packaging, apart from the actual packaging. Like the design of the packaging is good, but the rest of the packaging is bad. So yeah, oh my god, that's fucking glass. It's quite heavy, which is quite mad. Put this back on. Bam. I don't know how you're gonna close this now. There you go. So yeah, thank you, PayPal, for sending this out once again, and thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.